Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can link your clips in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video in my timeline already, but I'm going to add another one. I have this hyperlapse that I have downloaded off the internet, and I'm just going to link these two together. Now, as you can see, because I put it above this video, it is overlaying it completely, and the bottom video isn't visible at all, but we're going to fix that. Now, if you want to link them just like this, if you, for example, want to transform this video and make it play over the other video like so, and you want to link them, you just select both of them, right click and click link clips, and now as you can see they are both linked together and they're playing in tandem on my preview. However, if you want to link them together, you can also do it like this, so that this video plays after the first video, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like now. Let me just put the cursor over here, and if I play it, as you can see, after a certain time it's gonna start playing this video. However, they are not linked. You can again do the same, right click link clips if you want. However, you can also link them and create one clip out of them by selecting them both, right clicking and selecting new compound clip, name it whatever you want, and now as you can see they are one singular clip and they cannot be separated like this. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.